Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer n, that is the number of triangle, to be printed. Then the program must print the desired pattern as shown below. So we'll take our first test case. So here we have the integer n to be 3, that is we have 3 triangles, 1, 2 and 3. So now we have to find the number of rows. So for that, rows is equal to 2 into the triangle number minus 1. So for the first one we have 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 1. Then we have 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3. Then at last we have 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 5. So we have 5 rows. Now let's see how we can print these. First we'll have the variable val to be equal to 1. So the val will be incremented if the row is less than CTR. That is, if the row is less than CTR, then the val will be incremented by 1, else it will be decremented. So here we have the row to be lesser than CTR. So here the row is lesser than CTR, so the val is incremented to 1, so it becomes 2, and from 2 we have printed 1. Then after that, row is not less than CTR, so we have got 1. Now in the third triangle, let us consider that this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is third row, this is fourth row, and this is fifth row. Now we'll have the CTR to be 3, that is it is the third triangle, and the val to be 1 initially. Now we have the first row we have 1, so the row is less than CTR, right? So 1 is less than 3, so the value will be incremented, that is it becomes 2. So we have got 2 and printed 1 from it. Then we have 2 to be less than 3, so again the value will be incremented, so we have 3, so we have printed 3, 2, 1. And now the row is not less than CTR, right? So we'll decrement it and we'll print accordingly, so the val becomes 1. Let us implement our program. First we'll get our integer n, then we'll have a for loop for CTR, that is the number of triangles to be printed. So for CTR in range 1 comma n plus 1, that is the end argument is exclusive. Then we'll have the print val to be 1 initially. Then we'll run a loop for the row times. So for row in range 1, comma 2 into CTR minus 1 plus 1. So here we have used plus 1 because it is exclusive. So minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So we'll take it. So now we have to print the numbers in reverse order. That is, if you have got 3 means we have to print 3, 2, 1. So for that, we'll have for val in range print val comma 0, that is up to 1 comma minus 1, that is in reverse order. Now we'll print the val and use end argument, and we'll print the new line. Now after that, we'll give our condition, that is if the row is less than CTR, the print val must be incremented by 1, else the print val should be decremented by 1. So let us execute our program. We'll pass our first test case. So we have got the correct output, that is 3 triangles. Now we'll pass our second test case. So here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.